I think the reason how I found a gap is because in all my jobs, people kept asking me the same question over and over and over again. And I found myself solving the problem for them, not using the tools on the market, if that makes sense. And I think after doing that in all my jobs of trying to solve the problem, finding the right space, putting the people with the right people, always going to the tools that already existed, but them never having the exact space that I would need or for that person would need. And after doing that for hundreds of thousands of times, it's just like there has to be a better way because I'm jumping from this website to that website. I'm calling this person, I'm texting this person, I'm sending this email. And
Incredibly inefficient.
this is, and I said, this can't be how everybody searches for space. And when I started asking questions, particularly to our potential customers, and they're like, and then I say, like, how do you find space? And they walk me through their process. I remember one time I was on a Zoom call, I just timed it, and the person walked me through it, and they found a space. It took them 8 minutes to find a space. And then I said, "Oh, is that the space?" They're like, "Not quite." And I said, "So you got to start this process all over again?" And they're like, "Well, I'll reach out to see." I'm like, "Okay, well, if you reach out, that's a 10-15 minute thing." And I'm thinking, like, if you look at all that time, it's like, what could that time be used for you to do other stuff that like actually matters, right? Whether it's in your job, whether it's like if it takes you 20 minutes to find a space for X thing, could that 20 minutes be used for you to have a meditation, go on a walk, have a great conversation with someone you haven't talked to in a while, or just sit on the floor and stare at the ceiling? Anything that really resets you to make you feel more human, you're wasting a lot of time doing that process only for you, as the person said, I kind of found the space. If I'm going to spend that much time on something, I don't want my result. I don't want to have to settle with the result of I kind of did it.